morning from the new vlog. We are still in Laos, looking for breakfast right now, but we don't have a lot of time because we have to go to the boat at 8:30 and now it's 7.
Let's see how the people are here. Yesterday they're all drinking hard, so let's see if they're like hangover on the streets.
If they feel like they're gonna open the market or not. Finish our breakfast now. Go back to the room to prepare last packing. Yeah, I left everyone behind because I want to be there first.
Alright, here we are again. The trustful steps. And the leftovers from yesterday night. So we're now on the second day on the boat, going to Luang Prabang.
I'm so ready to leave.
So we left our tuk-tuk from the pier and I just spotted our place where we stay. We already read some Google reviews that it's like awful and we don't know what to expect yet, so we try to check in now and see what we get for our $50 for 4 nights. That's it. Yeah, okay. Doesn't look too shady yet. After what we read, this one looks really good.
Yeah, I actually expecting the worst.
And this is quite a surprise. It's really good.
That's nice.
Okay, so I would say a quick shower. We're freshly showered and now we're going to the night market to meet the other people from the boat. How did you like the boat tour?
It's fun. I like it. I enjoy it.
For me, it was, I loved it. One of the best travel experience I had. 100% boat over bus. 100%.
100%. Even though it's longer trip, but
Yeah.
it's worth it.
Right, I would say we found it. Selamat makan.
Okay, we were walking after dinner and now we just had an idea to get a massage, a Lao traditional massage for how much?
70,000, which is like, I don't know, maybe $5.
So,
3.5.
yeah, so we're gonna do it.
Euro.
We're gonna do
We
it,
calculate in
but
Australian
not
dollar.
Chris.
Should be.
Een uur, hè? Let's go!
Alright, we are home, back from the massage. And now we finally go to bed. You want to finish the video, Alpha? Okay, I'm gonna finish. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.